Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Flowers. It's been a minute. I haven't been feeling too well, but I hope everybody enjoyed their Labor Day weekend. And let's get into it. I'm so excited for Friday's arrangement. Just wanted to feel soft and feminine, and so let's create. Hey guys, it's Friday. I'm so happy. I'm in a girly mood today, so I have some soft girly colors here. Got some pinks and some purples. And we're just gonna decorate our home and just make it nice and lovely. Let's go.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like.
All right, you guys, I'm super excited. I'm finally done. And here's to my next favorite part. I love creating arrangements. It just awakens the home and it beautifies the home. And this arrangement is for my mom. If you're in the Dallas, Texas area and you enjoy having fresh blooms in your home, we do have a flower subscription service in which we deliver a fresh arrangement every week to your home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and flowers. See you guys in the next video. Bye.